Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a really quick and fun Italian low-carb dinner. If you guys have been following me for a while, I've been talking about sausage pesto for forever. I have a recipe on my blog, but I've never done a video for it. So we're having it tonight. My mouth's already watering. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun just to bring you guys along to show you how I put it together. This meal is amazing. I serve it as a bowl, so it's perfect. You can kind of customize it to whatever you like and have. So down in the description box, I'm gonna put the link to the recipe so you can see exactly what I used, how much, the nutritional facts, all that good stuff. But one of those things when you're low carb or keto you want to have is like that comfort food, those like Italian classics. This dinner makes you feel like you're not depriving yourself. So you guys always ask me for more recipe videos, so I thought I would just bring you along and show you what I'm cooking for dinner tonight. If you like that kind of video, like it, comment down below what your favorite comfort food recipe is, and maybe we will recreate that here really soon. This meal is perfect for a family because you could easily do yours low carb and then have pasta and bread for your family. Do a side salad, make it really hearty. Sky's the limit. So the main point for my channel, as always, is that making this into a lifestyle, keto, low carb, you have to not deprive yourself. If you feel like an Italian comfort food, find a way to make it to fit into your lifestyle. Let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so you don't need that many ingredients for this, but the right ingredients are what counts. So first, I'm gonna show you the sausage that I'm gonna be using. This is the Beyond Meat sausage, just the Italian sausage. I get the hot one. I just think this is amazing. And just to give you an idea, so one of these cooked links is gonna be 2 net carbs. So this is so good. And I'm actually gonna be cooking it right on my grill pan here, which you'll see later, don't worry. But the sausage is key. Get your favorite one. Next, you're gonna need some good quality pesto. This is the one that I absolutely love. This is from Wegmans. And I know you could obviously make your own, but sometimes convenience is key, and it's the winter where I'm at in Pennsylvania, so basil is not just like growing abundantly. So I just love this brand from Wegmans. And just to give you an idea, make sure you check your carbs when you are looking at store brand ones though. This is for a 1/4 cup, it's only 2 net carbs for a whole 1/4 cup. So the ingredients are really good in here. There's like nothing bad. It's just stuff you would find in pesto. And it tastes amazing. It tastes better than mine. So when you find that, why mess with it? You love sausage pesto, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Next, let's talk sauce. My favorite sauce, I've been talking about this for years. I love the Rayo sauces. Just amazing. Ingredients are great, carbs are great. For 1/2 cup of this sauce, you're only looking at 5 net carbs. And if you're like me and you love sauce, you gotta get a lower carbed one, especially if you're gonna be having a decent amount of it. So this is my absolute favorite. I'm gonna be using this one tonight. This is the marinara. I also love the arrabbiata, the spicy sauce. So good. You're also gonna need some cheeses for this bowl. I love fresh Parmesan cheese. I have this just in a block in my fridge, and then I like to just grate it up or put it in my little spinner. Typically you would want fresh mozzarella, like the ball of fresh mozzarella, but I got it from my store. They didn't have it, so they subbed it for some shreds, which wouldn't be my first choice, but it will definitely work in this bowl. This is such a good dinner. You're also gonna need a couple spices. I like to use like garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Lastly, we've got ricotta cheese. You definitely need this. Do not leave this out. This brand is great. Whatever you do, make sure you buy whole milk. You want that fat, so good. And this is gonna be 4 carbs for a 1/4 cup, but let me tell you, it is so worth it. It ties the whole dish together. Don't leave it out. And that's it. So this, like I said, is probably my favorite Italian dinner, like keto, low carb style. And it comes together so quickly, and you could easily serve this exact thing for your family with just some pasta and some bread and salad. So it's great for the whole family while you're still keeping your plate keto. So let's get on into it. Let's start making this. I'm so excited. So good. First, you're gonna wanna cook your sausage. I'm using the plant-based today, but use your favorite sausage that you like for Italian dishes. Chicken sausage, pork sausage, whatever is your favorite. Then in a small bowl, you're gonna wanna combine the Parmesan, the ricotta cheese, and the mozzarella cheese. And then I'm gonna actually spice this up with some spices. I'm gonna do some garlic powder and onion powder, and then also salt and pepper. And then all the measurements will be down in the description box below for a link to my blog. But this part, season it to what you like. I kind of like to go heavy on the seasonings. If you guys know, you know. And then I like to taste it just to make sure it's good and doesn't need anything else. This time I actually did it perfectly the first time. So here's where the sausage pesto part comes in. I like to slice up my sausage and then add in some of the pesto. Gently toss this together, and this is key. This just brings so much more flavor to the dish. It's just perfection. Okay, so now it's time to plate, and we're just gonna put the cheese in the bottom, the pesto sausage in the middle, and then I like to surround it with the sauce. So this isn't just for presentation, pretty purposes. Eating it as a bowl like this and having everything deconstructed so you can take the perfect bite every time is key. And just a little couple shavings of fresh parm on top is perfect. I like to get cheese, one piece of sausage, and then a little bit of sauce into each bite. There's my money bite right there. That's it. Wow, that was so good. I am literally stuffed right now. Don't underestimate that dinner. Just because you didn't have pasta and bread and all that, you don't think you're gonna be full. I'm full, I'm satisfied. I'm not full to the point where I need to like take a nap and like lay down. I'm full in a keto way, in a low carb way. That's the best feeling ever. So I hope you guys liked this kind of video. If you did, let me know down in the comments. I will definitely do more of them, and I will see you guys really soon with a new video. Bye.